Hi friends, welcome to QazLa Crochet. Today let's crochet this easiest and beautiful knit bag. This is super cute and super easy. You can make this even if you're a beginner. I have uploaded so many beautiful gifts items tutorials on my channel. Please do watch them, I'm sure you'll enjoy. If you like my effort, please give this video a thumbs up, because likes are totally free. Make sure to subscribe for future videos and turn on the bell so that you get notified. I'm your new crocheter friend QazLa. Do let me know in the comments. Where are you from watching my video? I'll be happy to see your comment. You can DM me on Instagram and TikTok if you have any questions about crochet. I'm also there with the same name, QazLa Crochet. Let's crochet together with 3-ply yarn and 3mm hook. Make slip knot, then chain 33. Then yarn over, insert your hook in 5th chain from the hook and make 1 double crochet. And make 1 double crochet in each stitch till the second last chain. In last chain, make 2 double crochet in same space. Then 1 double crochet in every stitch of the other side of this row. We are done with the first round. Base round completed. Slip stitch and join in the top of chain 3. Start row 2 with chain 3, then 2 double crochet in next 2 stitches. Then chain 1 and skip 1 stitch. Make 2 double crochet in next 2 stitches. Again chain 1, skip 1, make 2 double crochet in next 2 stitches. Repeat till the end of row 2. At the end of this row, you should have 1 double crochet, then join this with starting chain 3 to make them 2 double crochet, as we did for this round. Every row will be end like this, and start every row with chain 3. Then 2 double in previous rounds to double crochet. Chain 1 and 2 double crochet in next 2 double crochet stitches. Repeat this till the end of row 3. At the end, you should have 1 double crochet. Make them 2 double crochet by joining with starting chain 3. Then start row 4 with chain 3 and make 2 double crochet in next 2 stitches. Then chain 1 and 2 double crochet in next 2 stitches. Repeat till the end of row 4. Repeat this row 4 and make 14 rounds in total by repeating this row. I have completed the desired lengths of the bag. Now to give it nice finishing, make 2 rounds of single crochet stitch. Chain 1 to start, then 1 single crochet in each stitch till the middle of the back. When you're at middle of the back, make chain 30 for button loop. Then chain 1 and single crochet around this chain. 1 single crochet all the way around. To make back strap or cord or handle, make chain of your desired lengths. Then slip stitch and join on the other side. Single crochet in the next stitch. Chain 1 turn and make 1/2 double crochet in each stitch till the end. Slip stitch and join, fasten off and hide the tails. To make back charm, make a slip knot, then chain 4 and slip stitch in first chain to make a ring. Chain 2, 2 double crochet, chain 2, repeat and make 5 petals in total. Chain 2, 2 double crochet, chain 2, repeat and make 5 petals in total. One flower completed, slip stitch and make chain 50. Insert in fourth chain from the hook and slip stitch. Then chain 2, 2 double crochet, chain 2, repeat 5 times to create a flower. Now tie knot with back strap. This beautiful back charm. I have added beads to enhance the beauty of the back. If you like my video, please give it a thumbs up. Likes are totally free. Thanks for your time. These are some of my creations. Watch full tutorials on my channel and make them by yourself. Follow me on Instagram and TikTok, QazLa Crochet.